So this is the mill house at Bruichladdich Distillery. This is one of the last belt-driven mills left. As you can see, it's a fairly rickety old thing. We mill the barley to create grist, which is obviously what you need to extract sugar. And what we try and do is get as many variable barley types as possible. So at the moment we use 4 different varieties, Optic, which is a pretty standard one, but Chalice, Golden Promise, and the oldest barley known to man, bear barley, which is actually the origin of the word barley, which means bear-like. And we grow that here on Islay, and we use about 7 different farms, between 3 on Islay and the rest on the mainland. And we use about 1/3 of our requirement is organically grown. We're trying to increase that and persuade farmers to grow more barley for us, but it's quite slow work. So the barley is malted for us in Inverness. It arrives here and stored next door. And so when we come to mill it, we have to regulate here the machinery quite carefully to make sure that we get the right mix of husks and solids and flour.